Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Ellavondame and today I'm going to show you how to do this different color eye look. I kind of notice now that it looks, in person you can tell this is blue and this is green, but on camera they look the same, just different, glitters. But I tried. That's all I can say. Anyways, I was gone for about 2 weeks. I've been really busy with work and family and doing all kinds of different things. So I'm kind of like just now starting to get back into like having motivation and making the time on my off days instead of just sleeping, because I've just been tired. Adult life is tiring. It really is. So anyways, I'm going to stop blabbering on and I'm going to let you guys, finish watching the video. Please like and subscribe. That means so much to me. Yeah, anyways. Catch you later. Catch you later. What is this, the fucking 90s? Okay, so I've already did my eyebrows. That's sad. I'm having a breakout and I don't know why. I've already primed and moisturized everything, and now I'm just going to start on the lids. And what I do to prime my lids is I always do this thing upside down. It's the Glamouflage Concealer by Hard Candy and it is in the shade medium. And what I do is, the norm. You all have seen it before. Now I'm just going to evenly blend that out with my beauty blender. Well, it's not actually by Beauty Blender, but it's close enough. Works just as good. Okay, so since I will be doing one blue eye and one green eye, I'm going to be using Box of Crayons palette, and it is so good. I love it. So starting out, I'm going to be using green and I'm going to be putting that all over the lid first. Next, I'm going to be taking lime green and I'm going to be using a Morphe M513 brush. I'm going to blend it over the harsh line. Okay, next I'm going to be taking this little brush. It's by LA Colors. I stole it from my sister because it just, look how good that is. That's good. And I'm going to dip it in black. I'm just going to put that in the crease, like the crease line. Okay, and I'm going to be taking the same Glamouflage concealer in the same color, and I'm going to cut that, over my lid. And I'm just going to set this concealer with lime green. This doesn't really matter. To me, it doesn't matter what color you put on it. I'm just putting something on there until it's time for the glitter. Because what I do is I put the glitter on after my eyeliner, because it makes my eyeliner all bumpy and I'm not cool with that. Okay, and for my eyeliner, I'm going to be taking, what I usually use is the Epic Ink Liner by NYX. Okay, so recently I found out about this really cute glitter site. It's called Glam Me Out, and they have the prettiest glitters, and I got one of these. I got the green one, and I think it's, well, there's no name on it, but I believe it was called Slime Green. This is not sponsored. Okay, so what I took on the back of my hand was my NYX glitter primer. Look how pretty that is. And it works so good. And I'm just going to be taking this small little elf brush, and since I have some on the back of my hand, I'm just gonna get some, a good enough amount, and I'm going to put that all over the, you know, what we set, the concealer that we set with green. And sometimes if you kind of feel like you messed up the crease with the concealer, just put glitter primer over it and it'll be good. Okay, ready for the glitter. It looks sour and I want to eat it. I won't, but I want to. And I'm just going to take this little pointed brush. It's by Eco Tools. I literally have had it forever. Since like middle school. It's so pretty. I literally have been dying to do a look like this forever now. Okay, so now I'm going to do this eye, and like I said before, it's gonna be blue. I cannot wait till I get at least a better phone, so my videos will be like a lot more HD for y'all, because right now I'm working off of an iPhone 6. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this blue, it's called Aquatic Earth, and I'm going to do the same thing I did with the green. I'm just going to pat it all over my eye. And for using that blue to put all over my eyelids, I'm going to be using the Morphe M433 brush. There's pink on it because I forgot to wash my brushes. So let's just hope no pink gets on it. And next, to diffuse it, of course, you know, make it more lighter at the top, I'm going to be using another Morphe little single, and it's called Breakfast at Tiffany's, and I'm going to be using the Morphe M518 brush. And then I'm going to be adding in some black shadow to make it a little bit darker. I'm going to be using another black, just like I did with this one, and I'm still going to be using the box of crayons, and I'm going to be using that eyeshadow, that black one right there. Then of course I'm going to be cutting it with the same concealer. And with this one, I'm just going to be setting that one with Breakfast at Tiffany's. Okay, so I ordered 3 different blues. At this one, that one has more of like a chunky like to it. Then I have these 2, and I think I'm gonna go with this one. Nope, I'm gonna go with this one. And I do not remember the name of this one. Oh wow. Okay, so what I'm going to go do is I'm going to go get all this glitter off of me, and I'll be right back. So I didn't have too much luck. It's not as bad as before, but it's whatever. And so for mascara, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. mascara. This stuff is really good. And I'm just going to cut my lashes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to do the rest of my face. So if you want to know how I do my face, I have a couple videos that will show you how I do that. I'm not really sure which ones. I don't have many, so you won't be looking for too long. I probably did them in all my other makeup videos. I just won't be doing it in this one because I go fast when I'm not recording. So I will be back. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish up and put like the blue underneath here and the green underneath there. Next, I'm going to waterline my eyes with this NYX pinkish white eyeliner. It is faux whites, just so you know, and it is in the shade Seashell. Then I'm just going to coat the bottom lashes with some mascara, the same mascara I used up top. Okay, now you can skip this step, but I'm kind of bored and I would like to do something a little dramatic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it look like, you know, I'm crying glitter, because that's, I guess, just the thing I want to do. So I'm going to be taking the NYX primer again, and I'm just going to put that, like, dab it underneath my eyes. And what I actually like to do is I would like to switch it up. So this will have the green glitter coming out, and this will have the blue glitter coming out. And I'm just going to tap that around. Just stream it down. You can see where it's at, so it'll help guide you. I'm going to be using slime green, and I'm going to be putting that underneath the eye. And of course, I'm just going to be doing it the same to this eye as well. Okay, so since the eye part, the glitter is done, I'm going to be using the Ardell lashes in 202 Black. Okay, and just a little tip for you guys. I love this glue. And the reason why I love this glue is I directly put it onto my lash line because it dries so much more quicker. And like, you know, whenever you put it on the lash band and you know it's starting to get done by the time it turns like that really pretty bluish color, well, it automatically does that whenever I put it on my lashes. So I don't have really any wait time, and that's really good for if you're in a rush too. Okay, and I'm just going to be doing it to this eye, and when I get back we're gonna do highlighting. My lashes are done, and now it's time to finish the face, which is highlighting and lips. Okay, so guys, I bought this. It is the prettiest thing I've ever put on my face. Okay, you see that little ball? See all that dust? Tell me that's not beautiful. Okay, and I'm just going to spray this all over my face. Just gorgeous. Okay, so I feel like it's only perfect if I use the Anastasia Moonchild highlighter. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using 2 different colors just because I really want to make it shiny, make me pop. You feel? So I will be using Lucky Clover and Blue Ice, and I'm going to be using this Morphe brush, and it's Morphe M510. So pretty. Next, I'm going to be taking this new liquid MAC lipstick. It's new to me because I just got it, and it is in the shade Topped with Brandy, and it's such a pretty color. this is the final look. I'm done. So thank you so much for watching. I also would like to thank everyone who actually does watch my videos. I don't get, you know, much views, which isn't a problem. I'm not doing it for views. I'm just doing it for fun. And if someone wants to learn something that I have already done or plan to do, then they have someone to come to. I do thank you all for your support, for, you know, giving me advice and just being there, just being a good noodle, being a great person. And I'm going to stop rambling on now, and I'm going to let you guys finish up whatever you're doing for the day, or if you want to watch more of my videos, if you haven't, you know, go to my channel. Anyways, thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Tell me what you would like me to do next, whether it be eyebrows or an eyeliner tutorial or just another makeup tutorial showing you how to blend something. I gotcha. I can do it. So anyways, thank you again. Like and subscribe. Anyways, take care and don't do stupid stuff and be safe. Bye.